Good morning students. Welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 16 measurement in that exercise 16a. Our next question, 10th question, using decimal notation express in liters in that A 6 liter, 6 deciliter, 7 centiliter, 2 milliliter. Okay, so we have to express this in liters, okay, using decimal notation. Now we know liter, it will come before decimal point. Okay, before decimal point liter will come. In the question 6 liter, so it will be 6 point. Okay, now deciliter will come in 10th place, so at the 10th place you can write 6. Here in the question 6 deciliter is given, so in 10th place you can write 6. Okay. Now 7 centiliter is given in the question. Centiliter you have to write in 100th place. Okay. So in 100th place the digit will be 7. Next, milliliter will come in 1000th place. In the question 2 milliliter is given. Okay. So digit in 1000th place it will be 2. Okay, 6.672 liter. Okay, this is liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Okay, so 6.672 liter is the answer. Next B, 20 liter, 8 deciliter. So liter, it will come before decimal point. So 20 point. Next, after point 10th place it is deciliter. In the question 8 deciliter is given. So 8. This much only given in the question. Centiliter and milliliter is not given. So 20.8 liter will be the answer. Okay. Next C. 5 liter, 1 deciliter, 5 centiliter, 9 milliliter. So how can you write? This is liter. Liter will come before decimal point. So 5 point. Next it is deciliter. So 1 deciliter. So 1 in 10th place. Now 100th place it is centiliter. 5 centiliter is given in the question. So 100th place digit it is 5. Now next 1000th place it is milliliter. 9 milliliter. So 1000th place digit will be 9. 5.159 liter. This will be the answer. Next D, 2 centiliter, 5 milliliter. Now here liter, before decimal point it is liter. So liter is not given, you can put 0, 0 point. Okay, after that 10th place it is deciliter. That is also not given, so put 0 in 10th place. Okay, after that 100th place it is centiliter. 2 centiliter in the question. So the digit in 100th place it will be 2. Okay. Now 1000th place it is milliliter. 5 milliliter is given in the question. So 1000th place it will be 5. Okay. 0.025 liter. This will be the answer. Okay. Next E, 6 deciliter. So before decimal point it is liter. So here in the question liter is not given, so you can put 0 point. Okay. Next after decimal point it is deciliter. 6 deciliter is given in the question. So 10th place digit will be 6. Okay, 0.6 liter. Here centiliter and milliliter is not given, so this much only you have to write, 0.6 liter. Okay, next H, 8 milliliter. So here liter, deciliter, centiliter it is not given. Only milliliter is given. Okay, so in liters place you can put 0, that is before decimal point. 10th place it is deciliter, so that also it is 0. 0 will come. After that 100th place is also 0 because centiliter is not given in the question. Now 8 milliliter is given in the question. So 1000th place you can write 8. Okay, so 0.008 liter. This will be the answer. Next 11th question, express in kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter and liter. In that A, 9.129 kiloliter. So question is given in kiloliter. Okay, decimal fraction is given in kiloliter. You have to express this in kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter and liter. So if a decimal fraction is given in kiloliter, the number that is coming before decimal point, that is kiloliter. Okay, that much kiloliter will be there. So here 9 is coming before decimal point, so you can write 9 kiloliter. Okay, then after decimal point, the 10th place, it is hectoliter. Okay, so you can write here 10th place it is 1, so you can write 1 hectoliter. Now 100th place it is decaliter. In 100th place it is 2. So you can write 2 decaliter. Okay. Now 1000th place it is liter. Here 1000th place digit it is 9. So you can write 9 liter. Okay. So 9.129 kiloliter it is 9 kiloliter, 1 hectoliter, 2 decaliter and 9 liter. Okay. The number that is coming before decimal point it is kiloliter, 10th place hectoliter, 100th place decaliter and 1000th place liter. Then next B, 0.775 kiloliter. So the number that is before decimal point, it is kiloliter. Here 0 is coming, so no need to write that. Now 10th place it is hectoliter and 10th place digit it is 7. So you can write 7 hectoliter. 100th place it is decaliter. 100th place digit is also 7. So you can write 7 decaliter. Now 1000th place it is liter. Here digit it is 5. So 5 liter you can write. Okay, so 0.775 kiloliter is 7 hectoliter, 7 decaliter and 5 liter. Then C, 0.05 kiloliter. So here 0 is coming in kiloliters place, 0 is coming in hectoliters place. So no need to write this. Now 10th place, 100th place. This is 10th, this is 100th. So 100th place, it is, we know, it is decaliter. The digit in 100th place is 5. So you can write 5 decaliter. Okay. So 5 decaliter. 0.05 kiloliter means it is 5 decaliter. Okay. Next D, 1.1 kiloliter. So before decimal point it is kiloliter. And 1 is coming before decimal point. So 1 kiloliter. After decimal point, 10th place it is hectoliter. So digit in 10th place it is 1. So you can write 1 hectoliter. So 1.1 kiloliter means 1 kiloliter, 1 hectoliter. Okay. Next 12th question, using decimal notation express in kiloliter. In that A, 3 kiloliter, 5 hectoliter, 3 decaliter, 2 liter. Okay. So here kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter and liter is given. This kiloliter will come before decimal point. Okay, so you can write 3 point. Hectoliter will come in 10th place. So in 10th place you can write a 5. Okay, 5 hectoliter is given. So in 10th place it will be 5. Now 3 decaliter is given. So in 100th place it will be 3. Okay. Now 2 liter is given. So 1000th place it will be 2. 3.532 kiloliter. This will be the answer. Okay. 3 kiloliter, 5 hectoliter, 3 decaliter, 2 liter. In decimal notation it will be 3.532 kiloliter. Next B, 6 kiloliter, 7 liter. So kiloliter, this will be before decimal point. 6 point you can write. Okay. After that, 10th place it is hectoliter. In the question it is not given. Hectoliter is not there, so you can put 0. Okay. Next 100th place it is decaliter, but that is also not given. So you can put 0 in 100th place. Okay. Now 1000th place it is liter. 7 liter is given in the question. So 7 will come in 1000th place. Okay. 6.007 kiloliter. This will be the answer. Okay. Next C. 8 kiloliter, 5 decaliter. Kiloliter. 8 kiloliter is given. So this will come before decimal point. Okay, kiloliter will come before decimal point. So 8 point. After kiloliter, after decimal point, 10th place it is hectoliter, but in the question hectoliter is not given. So put 0 there. Okay. Now in 100th place it is decaliter. 5 decaliter is given in the question. So 100th place digit will be 5. 8.05 kiloliter will be the answer. Okay. Liter is not given, so no need to write that. Next, in that F, 5 kiloliter, 8 liter. So kiloliter, this will come before decimal point. 5 point you can write. After that it is hectoliter, but it is not given. So 0. Now 100th place it is decaliter. That is also not given. So put 0. Now 8 liter. This is given. 8 liter is given in the question. So in 1000th place you can write 8. So 5.008 kiloliter. Okay. Next, 13th question. Express in kilogram using decimal notation. In that A, 4153 gram. Okay. So this gram you have to express in kilogram. So you know one relation. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Okay, this you know. So in order to convert kilogram to gram, just multiply by 1000. Okay, kilogram to gram, multiply by 1000. But in order to convert gram to kilogram, divide by 1000. Okay, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So in order to convert kilogram to gram, just multiply the given kilogram by 1000. In order to convert gram to kilogram, just divide the given gram by 1000. Okay. So here you have to convert gram to kilogram. The question is given in gram, you have to convert to kilogram. So divide it by 1000. Okay. So 4153 gram. You need to convert this to kilogram. So just divide 4153 by 1000. What you will get? Division by 1000. So decimal point. Here will be the decimal point. This will move 3 places to the left. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Here you will get the decimal point. So 4.153 kilogram. This will be the answer. 4153 gram means 4.153 kilogram. Next, B, 3000 gram. So in order to convert gram to kilogram, just divide by 1000. So 3000 gram you can divide by 1000. What you will get? 3000 by 1000, it is 3 kilogram. Okay, if you divide by 1000, the unit will change to kilogram. Okay, so 3000 gram equal to 3 kilogram. Next C, 3856 gram. In order to convert gram to kilogram, just divide by 1000. So 3856 divided by 1000. Division by 1000, decimal point will move 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3 here. You will get 3.856 kilogram. Okay. Next F. 850 gram. So in order to convert gram to kilogram, divide by 1000. So 850 you divide by 1000. What you will get? Division by 1000, decimal point will move 3 places to the left. So this is 1, 2, 3 here. Okay, that is 0.850. That means 0.850 kilogram. Okay. Next in that G, 500 gram. So converting gram to kilogram, divide by 1000. 500 by 1000. What you will get? Decimal point will move 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. So 0.500. That means 0.500 kilogram. But these two zeros have no values. So you can just write 0.5 kilogram. Zeros at the right end has no value. After decimal point, zeros at the end has no value. Before decimal point, zeros at the left has no value. After decimal point, zeros at the right has no values. Okay. So 0.500 gram, it is 0.5 kilogram. 14th question. Express in gram, in that A 4.3 kilogram. So you know, in order to convert kilogram to gram, just multiply by 1000. Okay, question is given in kilogram, you have to convert that to gram. So 4.3 kilogram. In order to convert that to gram, just multiply by 1000. That is 4.3 into 1000. What you will get? Multiplication by 1000. So decimal point will move 3 places to the right. Okay, this is, so here is the decimal point 1. Third and second and third place you can put 0. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Here will be the new decimal point. So the answer is 4300 gram. Unit will be in gram. Okay. So 4.3 kilogram, it will be 4300 gram. Next B, 19.63 kilogram. So in order to convert kilogram to gram, just multiply by 1000. Okay. So 19.63 into 1000. What you will get? This decimal point will move 3 places to the right. Okay. So this is 1, 2. Third place you have to put 0. Okay. So what will be the answer? 19,630 gram. Okay, moving this decimal point 3 places to the right. This is 1, 2, 3. After this decimal point will come. Okay, so the answer is 19,630 gram. Next see 35.365 kilogram. In order to convert kilogram to gram, just multiply by 1000. So 35.365 you multiply by 1000. What you will get? This decimal point will move 3 places to the right. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. After this decimal point will come. Okay, so 35,365 gram. This will be the answer. Okay. Next E, 0.015 kilogram. So So in order to convert kilogram to gram, multiply by 1000. So 0.015 kilogram. You can multiply 0.015 by 1000. Okay. Multiplication by 1000, decimal point will move 3 places to the right. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3. You will get 0015. That means 15. 15 gram it is. Okay. 0015. Decimal, zeros at the left end has no values. We know that. Okay. 0015, it is 15 only. So 15 gram is the answer. Okay. Next, H 0.9 kilogram. In order to convert kilogram to gram, you multiply by 1000. So 0.9 multiplied by 1000. What you will get? Multiplication by 1000, decimal point will move 3 places to the right. Okay. So this is 1. Second and third place you can put zeros. Okay. So moving this decimal point 3 places to the right. This is 1, 2, 3. After this decimal point will come. So 900. 900 gram it is. Okay. 0.9 kilogram means 900 gram. Now 15th question. Express in kilogram using decimal notation. So question is given in meter. You have to convert that to kilometer or express that in kilometer. Okay. So you know the relation between kilometer and meter. That is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So in order to convert kilometer to meter. Okay. In order to convert kilometer to meter, just multiply by 1000. In order to convert meter to kilometer, just divide by 1000. Okay. If the question is given in meter and you have to express in kilometer, means divide by 1000. If the question is in kilometer and you have to express in meter, you have to multiply by 1000. Okay. So here 365 meter. Question is given in meter. You have to express in kilometer. So what to do? Divide by 1000. Okay. 365 divided by 1000. Decimal point will move 3 places to the left. So this is 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. You will get 0.365 kilometer. Okay. Next B 660 meter. So meter you have to express in kilometer. So divide by 1000. 660 you can divide by 1000. Now division by 1000. Decimal point will move 3 places to the left. This is 1, 2, 3. Here will be the decimal point, that is 0.660 kilometer. Okay. Now this 0 has no value, so you can write 0.66 kilometer. Okay. Zeros after decimal point. Zeros at the right end has no value. So 0.66 kilometer will be the answer. Next is C 99 meter. In order to express meter in kilometer, what to do? Divide by 1000. So 99 by 1000. What you will get? Division by 1000. So decimal point will move 3 places to the left. So this is 1, 2. Third place you have to put 0. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Here will be the new decimal point. That is 0.099 kilometer it is. Okay. 99 meter means 0.099 kilometer. Next D 588 meter. So in order to express meter in kilometer, just divide by 1000. So what you will get, 588 by 1000. Decimal point will move 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3. Here will be the decimal point, that is 0.588 kilometer. Okay. Next E 1740 meter. So in order to convert meter to kilometer, divide by 1000. So 1740 by 1000. What you will get? Decimal point will move 3 places to the left. So this is 1, 2, 3 here. Okay. 1.740 kilometer. That is 1.74. This 0 has no value. Zeros at the right end after decimal point has no value. So 1.74 kilometer. Okay. Next 16th question, express in meter. In that A 1.5 kilometer. So you know, in order to convert kilometer to meter, just multiply by 1000. Okay. So 1.5 kilometer, you can multiply 1.5 by 1000. What you will get? Multiplication by 1000, decimal point will move 3 places to the right. Okay, so here is the decimal point 1. Now 2 and 3. Second and third place you can put 0. So here is the decimal point 1, 2, 3. Here will be the new decimal point. Okay, so you will get 1500 meter. 1.5 kilometer means it is 1500 meter. Next B 2.25 kilometer. So in order to express kilometer in meter, just multiply by 1000. So 2.25 into 1000. What you will get? Multiplication by 1000. So decimal point will move 3 places to the right. Okay. So this is 1, 2. Third place you can put 0. So after this decimal point will come. You will get 2250 meter. Okay. Next C 5.75 kilometer. In order to express kilometer in meter, just multiply by 1000. Okay. So multiplication by 1000, decimal point will move 3 places to the right. So this is 1, 2, third place you can put 0. After this decimal point will come. Okay. So what you will get? 5750 meter. Next D 0.8 kilometer. Now in order to express kilometer in meter, multiply by 1000. Okay. So 0.8 into 1000. What you will get? Decimal point will move 3 places to the left. To the right. Sorry. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3. After this decimal point will come. So it is 0800. That means 0800 means it is 800. Okay. Zeros at the left has no value. Before decimal, zeros at the left end has no value. So 800 meter it is. Okay. Next G 100.025 kilometer. So in order to convert kilometer to meter, just multiply by 1000. So 100.025 into 1000. What you will get? Decimal point will move 3 places to the right. So this is 1, 2, 3. Here will be the decimal point. Okay, so what you will get? 100. 025 meter. Okay, that is 1,25,000 meter it is. Now exercise 16A. Do the remaining problems of questions 10 to 16 as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.